We are all born with an inner power, but too many of us give that power away through victory and defeat, pleasure and pain, praise and blame. Can your mind remain like a steady candle flame, unaffected by winds of change? It's time to be empowered. See you on the mat.